This doesn't work! I'm too big.
Alrighty. Oh, can I do this? Can I do this while simultaneously filming myself?
Probably. Maybe.
Selfie challenge! Woo! Oh gosh, there's a spider!
That's just a teeny little spider. Come here, little buddy.
No, he's not your friend.
He's my friend. I'm Spider-Man. It sucks that you have to remind me to film things.
Well, I have had my channel for 4 years.
That's true. Ah, nature. I feel like we're going to get jumped by wildlife.
Nah. Should we go down or up? We'll try down.
It smells like clay. Maybe it's that.
I think we're supposed to go up. I have no idea. Probably doesn't matter.
Let it be known that if we die and they find our bodies, that it's your fault.
We won't die.
Oh, I hear the waterfall. Oh wow. That's worth it, I'd say.
Told ya.
I'm going... This was a bad idea.
So if you'd like.
Huh?
If you'd like.
If I'd like what?
It's muddy, but
I guess I have to take off my shoes now.
I mean, you can try to jump, but that's muddy. But your choice, you know. This.
My balance is not good. So far so good. Ah, balls. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I can deal.
Alrighty. It's gotten a lot easier to get up.
It's not?
It's gotten a lot easier. This one's tippy though, so be careful. Or just do that. That works too. That's easier.
Oh, it's nice and cool.
It is.
How are you so fast?
Because I've done this before.
Oh, that's nice.
Well, this one's tippy too.
Alright. Where do I go from here?
And you can really just go wherever. I think I stepped on that.
Screw that.
That works. And whenever you're ready, we're gonna climb to the top of that.
You're kidding.
Yeah.
How?
You'll see. I'll fall over.
You tell me you're kidding.
No, you'll see. It can be done and very easily.
That's not possible.
It is. You're just thinking too direct.
can't believe we climbed all the way up.
Yeah. Told you it's possible.
Jeez.
I think I just walked through a spike.
There are a lot of bugs here. So, are we going to get further down or?
Yeah.
Oh, apparently.
Going right into the stream. That's what I always do.
The rocks here hurt my feet.
Okay. Oh, that one fell.
So we climbed all the way up.
Yeah. You glad?
Sort of. Worried about getting back down.
It's okay. Honestly, worst case scenario, you fall on your butt, you slide.
I like it here. What if there are people down there wondering why the shoes and bags are there?
Yes, I hope there isn't anybody down there because I got my wallet in my backpack. We'll just be trusting.
Don't steal our stuff or I'll pee on your head.
I would totally let you if there was somebody trying to steal our stuff.
Oh, I could stay here forever.
I know, it's nice. You are braver than I, Sir Tony.
I know.
I've never gone down there before.
I probably wouldn't go any further than this.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't advise it.